Thinking of starting a food processing business in Singapore? With strong food safety standards, advanced infrastructure, and access to regional export markets, Singapore is an ideal base for food manufacturing and processing. First, define your product focus. Will you process ready-to-eat meals, frozen foods, sauces, snacks, or health foods? Your product type determines facility requirements, certifications, and compliance obligations. Next, set up your business structure. Most food processors register a private limited company and apply for the appropriate food processing or manufacturing licenses from the Singapore Food Agency. Invest in suitable equipment, hygiene controls, and staff training. Implementing proper food safety systems like HACCP is critical to meeting regulatory standards and maintaining product quality. Finally, plan for packaging, storage, and distribution. With Singapore's strong logistics network, food processors can serve both local and international markets efficiently. Ready to start your food processing business in Singapore? 3E Accounting Singapore can assist with company setup, licensing support, and ongoing compliance. Visit our website to get started today.